What's up, everybody? Making the watch list video for tomorrow. Give me a couple minutes while I share that we are live. I'll be right with you guys. Be with you guys in a minute. I'm opening up chat for you guys if you guys want to chat in here. Just sharing that we're live. Another couple minutes, I'll be right with you. All right, what's up, everybody? Can you guys see and hear me okay? You guys should have the chat up now. Oh, love it, Creed. What's up, buddy? Love having you on. Nice. I love troublemakers. Makes me feel right at home. Because I myself am at times a troublemaker. So let's get in and look at this Garbaccio. The Garbaccio of this market. Craziness. And you can see, guys, I have my charts and my trend lines. What's up, smart trader? So you'll see kind of the market was in this, well, you can see several different trend lines here, but kind of at this base, the buyers came in right over here. It was right when it was right near that 200 SMA. Buyers have come back in now, but there's got this overhead resistance right now between the 9, the 13, and the 20. It's still got a lot of hills to to climb, and you can see this nasty looking, if you want to call it, a long-legged doji candle here today, right smack below the 9 and the 13. So we got to watch and see what happens. What's up, Vanessa? How's it going? So let's get into building the watch list. You'll see our swing trading watch list. We haven't really put anything on it because we don't want anybody getting hurt in a market like this. Obviously, you see this is nasty, guys. This is hard. This is hard to you know, swing trades are becoming day trades. So it's, you know, it's much easier when a market is kind of trending in a direction like this, or even trending downwards. With the problem, this is just really whacking and selling off right down here. So you want the market to choose a direction. So again, if you're new to our community, don't just buy our trade alerts just because they fire off. Make sure that you read our trade alerts page over on our website right here. We do our watch list. So when I'm making the watch list tonight, to cut down on emails, guys, if you're newer, we do post our watch list every night here, and our alerts over here. You have to be a paid member. Just basically, you would log in right over here, and you actually can get our alerts and our watch list right on this one page here every day. So instead of sending out emails every night, just log in. You'll get it right over here. You can see right here. So, oh, I guess I'm not logged in. I was logged in. So you'll see it says subscribe to get the trade alerts. But when I log in, you will see right here. My computer's a little slow today. Right here. So you'll see we post them right here, and you'll see the symbols. So the symbols are right here, and here's our alerts each day. So basically you could just, you know, right click, save on the image, and pull it up. And you'll see our watch list and our alerts here every single day. And for those of you guys that haven't been following or that are following us, you can see our trade alerts results each week by going to categories, trade alerts results, and you'll see our watch list alerts fire off like crazy. Just picking some random week right over here, you'll see our alerts typically go off at least 80% a week, but anywhere, if not 90% plus. And you can see right here, just even this random week here, 97%. That's awesome, guys. Again, just don't trade our alerts just because they go off. You have to know support, resistance, and patterns. And if you don't know how to do that, basically just become a member over here, and we have thousands of dollars worth of courses right over here for you to help you get started. So let me get into the watch list video for tomorrow. We're looking at stocks that are either holding their highs on their day or holding their lows on the day for either continuation up or continuation down. We're looking for patterns, possible breakouts on a daily, and you know, looking for the proper setups. Again, you know, we're doing a day trade watch list, and if we can find some for the swing trade, I will put them on there. We got to just take a look and see what pops up. So let's do this here. We're going to start with ACRX. Clear the drawings. Oops. Oh, that's why. Okay, hold on. Let me just reset my chart here. There we go. This should be better. Okay. Okay, ACRX. So this one is holding its highs on the day. Kind of has a cup and kind of handle-ish or a V bottom. So this is one I'm going to put on the watch list to see if this can get above. Let me look at this hourly here. Yeah, it's just about to maybe sneak above that 50 SMA potentially. So we're going to put, and you can see kind of a cup and handle-ish pattern right here. So kind of cup, handle, then V bottom, kind of another cup and handle. So we're going to do this. Let me go to the hourly. Right around 470. Just mapping out support and resistance levels. So there is a level right around that 470, 475-ish marker. So let's do this. We're going to do an alert for ACRX. Watch. Let's do this. Cup and handle-ish on the daily watch. What the heck? Watch for possible continuation with resistance around 430 and 475-ish. Let me put 430, not 420. All right, so ACRX. So we have the pattern of kind of the cup and handle, possible getting ready to set up for a maybe another quick pump up. It's got a history of pumping. You can see some resistance around that 475-ish range. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on ACRX. Vive. Yep. So Vive is holding its highs on the day. Want to see if you can get above that 364 marker. Next up, I'd look probably right around that $4 range. Right in here for resistance. So it's above a $0.50 amount. Let's look at the hourly. So it's riding the moving average lines on the hourly. And it's above them on the daily. So watch for this thing to pump up, continue, possible resistance around $4. So we'll put Vive. Watch for potential continuation with resistance around $4. So that is for Vive. Let's see. Nope, don't like that garbage. Got kind of a piercing pattern. So this one has a piercing pattern right here on the daily. Let's look at the hourly. This one might be setting up kind of cup and handle-ish. You can see $6 is a key resistance area. So it might be sending, you can see it's kind of this doji candle right below that 200 SMA, which I don't like, but it's got kind of an inverse head and shoulders, possible cup and handle-ish. And on the daily, you have a piercing pattern. So this may be trying to get another pump. So, so let me do this. I'm going to put that one on. Piercing pattern on daily. Watch for possible pump and see if price can get above $6 with resistance around $6. So look at $6 and then six. Oh, wait, I meant to put 650. I don't know what I put there. Around 650. Okay. There we go. So that's IT ITHUF. Next step. MXWL. This one might be reversing as well. Let's look at the hourly. Go back to the daily. So if price can get above that 375-ish marker, there is a gap between 415 to 424. So this might be reversing. So let's put this one on and see. Let's just possible reversal on daily. Watch if price goes to move up into gap around 415 ish. So right around here, that 415 to 425 ish. So it's MXWL. Don't like this. Bunch of Garbaccio right in between the moving average lines. Don't like that. CJJD. Another one. It's just really messy garbage chart. What's up, K-Mac? ACLS. Smacking off the 50 SMA. I don't like that. PAVM, caught between the moving average lines, don't like that. AKRX, it's smack right in between the 9 and the 13, right below a gap, so I would not discount it, but I don't like this up. There is a major gap right here. Let me look at the hourly. And it is riding it kind of on the hourly. This definitely has some room. Maybe to that 200 SMA on the hourly, right around 780s. Let me see where that puts us on the daily. Let's see if it can get... There is that doji candle. I try to avoid these guys. I don't like... You can see these smaller little doji spinning tops. I'm just not a huge fan of it. Don't like that one smacking off the moving average lines on UCTT. HMCC. Possible. You can see that right here. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. So this kind of has a head and shoulders. I don't like that. But let me look at the hourly. It definitely has some room to possibly move up. You can see that $7 range. Let me look at this one. Yeah, there's possibly some more to look at. Let me look at CDTI. Creed says CDTI has some late action in the day. Could be good if the pre-market is nice. Let me take a look. Definitely got a lot of volume at the end of the day. Kind of has a bull pennant-ish pattern there. This one may be setting up, let's see. I'd say $3, some resistance. Where is this? 240s. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, this one might have a chance to continue that pump. Good eye, Creed. So let's do this. Big volume day. Watch for possible pump. Look for resistance around 3 if gets above 250-ish. So if this can get above 250, watch for possible resistance around $3, also around that 280s range as well. So CDTI I'll put on the watch list. Good eye, Creed. TiVo, huh? Do people still use TiVo? Is that TiVo? Yeah, ouch. Taking a beating. Oops. It's got kind of a double bottom on the daily. So I see a double bottom. Bottom here, bottom here. This might... Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, it's above the 200 SMA on the hourly. Pulling back right here on that $13. Maybe setting up. Let me look at the daily. If you can get above that $13, it's got some room. Maybe right up to that 200 SMA, right around that 1360s marker. Yeah, we'll put that one on. Careful though, too. It is rejecting around the 50, right at the 50. So we'll keep an eye on it and see. If price can get above 50 SMA and $13, then look for resistance around at 200 SMA around 1367-ish. So watch for possible, if price can get above this 50 SMA, then the $13, then look for resistance right around that 200 SMA. So TiVo, we'll put that one on. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to fix my fan. I'm caught between fan and heat. I'm all confused here. I don't know if I'm hot or cold. So I was turning down the air because I was cold. Look at this garbage. Pump and dump. Nope. Don't like that. No. Don't like that. Caught between the moving average lines. High wave candle. Nasty looking chart. Nope. No. This one may be setting up. You can almost see a 1, 2, 3, almost a triple bottom on this penny stock. This one may be setting up for a pump above $1. Let's take a look at. Yeah, this one might be setting up. So this is a penny stock. You can see 1, 2, 3, almost a triple bottom set up on the daily. You can see this thing. I mean, this thing could really rip. I mean, there's a lot of overhead resistance, but this might be setting up for a triple bottom breakout. Triple bottom on daily. Watch for possible pump into gap between 150-ish to 275-ish. This could be setting up for a pump here. HSGX. What do you think of that one, Creed? All right, so let's look at ATAI. This has a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, so kind of inverse head and shoulders. Did break out a little bit, but it still could go up to that $4 range and above. Let's see on the hourly. Nice job, Creed. You're doing a great job, by the way. I don't know. It might be a little bit extended for me than I want on the day, on the hourly. No. right, the rest of these are looking like a bunch of garbage. Garbaccio. All right, so let's get into the swing trade. So that's the day trade watch list for tomorrow. Let's get into the swing trade one, see if there's any decent setups to look at. That was Netflix, looking at Goldman Sachs. So this is a little bit too close to the 50 SMA for me. However, maybe setting up, you can see, yeah. Oops. I was looking right over in here, this possible flag formation. Let me look at the hourly real quick. Cup, maybe handle. It is above. This might. I don't know if I'm loving that right now. It's tougher lately, guys, with this market the way it's doing to find. It's definitely stuff for swing trades. Very difficult. Oh, this one has a. This is Johnson & Johnson. Kind of a cup and handle on the daily. Let's look at the hourly. Kind of a cup and handle on the hourly. If it can get above 140, there's 140. So kind of a cup and handle on the hourly. Resistance around 141, 143. There's another kind of big cup and handle on the daily as well. Might be trying to get out of this handle if it can get above 140. I'm going to put Johnson & Johnson as one to look at. So it's got a cup and handle both on the hourly and on the daily. So if it can get above 140, then 141. It's got some room up to 143. So it's still hitting some resistance right here on angular resistance, but it's part of that handle. So this is one to keep an eye on. Thanks, Creed. So, cup and handle on both daily and 1 hour. If price gets above 140, it's 140. Room to run to 143-ish. So we're going to put Johnson & Johnson on, JNJ. This is Pfizer. Double bottom breakout, maybe cup and handle. Taking a look here with Pfizer. Might have some room to move up. You can kind of see double bottom, but possible cup and handle on the hourly setup. Might have some room up to that 45.81 area. So might have a room to go up $1 or so. You can see kind of flagging here on the hourly. Let's see here. It's got some room up to maybe $46 range. So I'm going to put Pfizer on right up to maybe this $45.50 to $46 range. So it's got $1 to $1.50 possible move. If it might be reversing possibly on the daily, got to watch and see. All right, so I'm going to put Pfizer on. Possible reversal on daily with resistance just below $46, 46-ish. So I try to give you guys a balance of like kind of a medium price stock and like sometimes a higher priced one. So we try to give you guys a bit of options. Let's see if there's any other ones to look at. No. Caught between the moving average lines. Don't like that. Merck, I believe this is. 72. Let me look at the hourly. Possible. Maybe $1 move up. I don't know if I like that one. That's funny, Creed. Let's see. Look at Coca-Cola, Disney. Disney kind of has this cup and handle-ish thing going on. So kind of a cup. If this can break out, where this one may be setting up, right? Kind of has an ascending triangle on a 5-minute as well. Let's look at the hourly. Man, another kind of cup on the hourly. So cup. See that cup and handle-ish here. Watch for possible breakout above 118. Where's their next resistance? One up to 120. Another kind of cup and handle. And double bottom-ish. 1, 2. Oops, let me go up to here. Let's see. So Disney might be setting up, if this thing can kind of cup and handle on the daily and the hourly, if it can break above 118, get out of this angular resistance, it has room up to 120-ish. So I'm going to put Disney on. Nice job, Angel. So we will continue it. Good eye, Angel. So we will keep this one on. Actually, if it's already was on yesterday, I don't need to re-put it on, because you guys are always already looking at it, so there's no reason to keep it on. Aha, Walmart. Another huge kind of cup and handle. $97.85. 98 if it can go. So it's got a big cup and handle. Let's look at that. It's below 98. So this has a this is 97.50 to 98. You guys see how there's if you're new, there's so much more to look at when you're looking at the swing trade compared to the daily watch list, because the patterns are so different. The support and resistance is just a little bit more clearer defined. Patterns again pop out at you a little bit more. So cup and handle on daily. Watch for possible continuation with resistance between 97.50 to $98. All right, so that's Walmart. Or is that Waste Management? Is that Waste Management or Walmart? Walmart, okay. Let me take a look at Yakko Creed. Yeesh, look at that, huh? Guess so. All right, guys, so that's the watch list for tomorrow, both the daily and the swing trade. Again, got to be super careful in a market like this. You'll see futures. We'll go back here. And you got this nasty looking long-legged doji right below the 9 EMA on the daily. It's got a lot of overhead resistance. Buyers have come back in off this 200 SMA, but it's still in this channel here. And just remember, we have the midterms and all this indecision coming up, so just be careful trading. Again, if you guys are new to following us, I'll show you guys a few things here. Number one, if you haven't joined our Facebook community yet, come and join us. We are the Bullish Bears. You'll see we call ourselves the stock market community just to differentiate ourselves from our fan page over here. So like and follow our fan page to stay up to date with our fan page. But as well as we have a really great Facebook community. We keep all the spammers, the trolls, the garbage, the politics out of here. We have 33,000 plus members. So if you want to learn about the stock market, really great place to learn, really safe place to learn the stock market. Very interactive. We have great mods. So everybody that's listening, if you're a mod, shout out. You guys do an awesome job. So we do our best to really keep this as a good community. If you're new to the stock market, you want to have a good community of a place to really learn, interact with others, because you're always going to have lots of questions along your trading journey. So again, come and join our community. This is the hub of everything that we do, is our community. Again, you know, it's nice, even if you become a really good trader, it's nice to be a part of a community because it could be very lonely trading at times. So it's nice to be able to interact and talk with other people and other traders. So again, our Facebook community is the hub of everything that we do. So make sure you come and join us if you haven't already. The link is below, or you can just type in stock market community. Again, we just differentiate our name from our name Bullish Bears. That's why we call ourselves the stock market community. So make sure that you come and join us. Also, too, speaking of community, if you aren't a member, again, of our trading groups, again, we are the Bullish Bears, and we have more community for our members, where we have a day trade room, a swing trade room, a futures trade room. These rooms are open 24/7. So even when we aren't in there, there's other traders helping each other out. People like Creed and Melrod and Rose and Angel, and don't want to keep naming everybody, but people are always trying to give back and help each other out. So not only do we have our Facebook community, we have our trade rooms as well, which are just other great communities to learn from. Again, you can talk to just traders from around the world 24/7 and really learn and get accustomed to trading from all of our members. So we do our live stream every morning. You'll see, basically you would just, if you're a member, just log in over here, and we do live streaming every day. We do both a Zoom, which is a live stream, and then we also do a YouTube live stream, which is also, you know, a little bit delayed, but we do both YouTube and Zoom, where we stream every day for a couple hours every morning, showing you guys the market, showing you real-time mentoring, real-time charting, mapping out support and resistance over and over and over. We are not calling out trades because we are not a stock pumping service. I'll save my rant for later on that one, but the easiest thing we could do is call out trades to you guys, pump up our brokerage accounts, and make ourselves look like heroes, but that's not what we are about. We're about teaching you guys every day. So every morning, we're basically coming in to, log into our brokerage accounts. We have our watch list right over here. We also do trade ideas every day. So we do a combination of trade ideas and our watch list. And we're going to take our watch list and trade ideas and show you what these stocks do live every morning. So we're going to pull up the charts. We're going to map out support and resistance. So we're going to show you what these stocks do every single day, over and over and over again. So we're teaching you every day, so again, not not throwing hate or shade other places, but a lot of places will, they might do a watch list, not tell you anything that's going on, and then just go boom right over here, and they get in a trade, they call it out to you, pump it up, make their 10-15 cents, dump the shares onto you guys, then you go about your day. We're like, whoa, what happened, right? We don't do that. We're telling you step by step, showing you what to look for, showing you where you would, potentially get into a trade, where you would potentially get out of a trade. Again, we're not pumping the stocks to you. We're teaching you how to trade and make your own trading decisions. So that's the huge difference with us. Archme, that's funny. Let me take a look at Bitcoin now that you said that, because this brings me so much. I always laugh every time I see this piece of garbage Bitcoin. Look at this massive descending triangle. Garbaccio. What the hell is that? Look at that candle right caught between all the moving average lines. There you go. Take everybody's money. Everybody puts their life savings into it when it's at $20,000, and now they're at $6,400 and they're crying. Awful. Awful. That's why you got to be careful pumping and dumping. So again, guys, we're teaching you the live markets every single day, couple hours every single morning of just every single day. Support, resistance, patterns, talking to people in our trade rooms over here. And then when we end our streams, you can talk even right now. You know, I'm making this video. It's after hours. There are people in the chat room still trading and chatting, or still chatting with each other. You know, so it's a great place to learn. So we have our Facebook group and community. We have our trade rooms over here. We do live streaming every day over here. We also, again, we do our watch lists and our trade alerts every night. So if you're watching this video, when I'm done with this, I'll post the watch list over here. So this is open to look, so anybody can go look at our watch list. And our trade alerts are private for our members. So if you're a member or you become a member, all you just got to do is just log in here each day. And sometime after 5 p.m., usually between 5 and 6, we post it over here. Sometimes later, before 9 p.m., but usually between 5 and 6. You would just click on the alerts page here after you log in. And then you will see right over in here, I'm just going to take it and post the alerts right over here. And you could just right click and save image as and save the picture. And then you can open up bigger. Or you can just do this. If you're like, how do I can't read what's on the page? Well, just scroll in and you can see it quicker. See, I'm zooming in on my computer and I can zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. So if you're a member, you only have to go to this page right here because we have the symbols right here and the notes right here. So basically you could just take our Thinkorswim link if you have Thinkorswim, copy it, watch this video on how to import it into Thinkorswim. Or if you have another brokerage account, don't be lazy. It takes you 30 seconds to a minute to just manually copy these symbols, put them into your brokerage account, into a watch list. And then this is what we're looking at. You're going to pay other places for trade alert services, you know, $200-$300 a month, and they're not going to tell you many of this stuff. They're just going to call out blindly a trade, and you're not going to know this. We're showing you what we're looking for every single day, and our watch lists and our alerts fire off at least minimum in the 80s every week, at least an 80% success ratio. Most of the time up in the 90s, high 80s into the 90s every single week. Again, don't take our trade alerts and enter a trade unless you read our trade alerts and you know how to trade. Again, we're teaching you how to become your own self-sufficient traders. We are not pump and dumpers. If you're looking for somebody to give you handouts and you don't want to learn how to trade, then go join some other company, because we're not about that. We're about helping you. We're not going to hurt you. So this is, if you're a serious trader looking to learn to become a good trader, you're willing to put the effort in, then we're the community for you. If you're looking for a place to handhold you and, you know, treat you like a baby or whatever, and like you don't want to do the work, you know, again, not to sound harsh, but we're not going to be the community for you, because there are plenty of other places that would love to take your money. That's not what we're about. We're about helping you and not hurting you. So hopefully that makes sense. And if I ticked one or two of you off, sorry, but I don't sugarcoat things. So, kind of last but not least, over here we have our courses. Our courses we make free to all of our members. So we give you a couple teasers in our courses over here. So if you excuse me, if you become a member, you'll get access to all of our courses over here. We have $3,000 plus worth of free courses. If you don't believe me, type in day trading course, type in options course, type in swing trading course, and then add up all the pricing that other places charge, and you'll see it's $3,000 plus if you buy all those courses. Never mind, on top of the fact, we have a couple candlesticks courses over here and courses on how to set up Thinkorswim and interactive brokers. And also right up here, we have you can see our free candlesticks ebook. So in our ebook, we teach you how to trade candlesticks, which are the name of the game when trading. So guys, we are a full-scale trading company and community. We are an actual community. We started as a community. We've always been a community. We don't put community on our page for marketing purposes. We are a community because that's what we've always been. So we don't talk about community. We are a community, and that's how we are. So again, if you're looking for a place and a community to join, then we are the place to come and check out if you're really looking to become serious. And you'll see right over here, you can subscribe. Again, we're only $49 a month or $300 for the year. Again, not trying to compare ourselves to everybody else, but you know, if you're shopping around, just like most people are, you'll see $300 a year is what many trading companies charge you for 1 month of service, and don't even offer hardly any of what we offer. Included, again, we even share our Trade Ideas live scanner. Kind of a try it before you buy it every single day as well. So hopefully, oh, by the way, right here, for anybody that becomes a yearly member, you will gain access to the day trade and swing trade scanner settings that we have set up within Thinkorswim. You'll get our Trade Ideas custom scanner settings, and you'll save, or actually you'll get all of our, excuse me, I'm losing my voice, all of our members only videos, and you'll save about 50% off of our monthly plan right over here. So hopefully this helped you guys. Stay safe trading, and we will see you in our community. Enjoy.